lie, but it wasn't a certain night I lied. Well, I didn't lie, I just got confused. So yeah, so I'll see you in a bit when we're going to eat all this food because we are back, baby. See you so much.
We are back. No filters on our faces, no filters on our faces. But looking at our faces, you think they're filtered. God, sister. God, as you can see, Mum's rocking the Nubian queen. God, sister. And I'm just rocking, you know, the big poof.
You are rocking the big part, yeah?
Oh yeah, and as you can see, repping Daisy 512. Bear, because we've got bear food. So yeah, if you want to get yours, head over to Etsy. Search Daisy512, spelled DAYZEE 512. Safe, my G. So yeah, today we're going back to basics. Back to basics. We're gonna be eating. So what we got? I'm gonna tell you. Got noodles, got corn on cob, got eggs, got potato croquettes, and we've got some strawberry fried chicken fries, boneless. Got some barbecue wings, hot spicy wings, and we've got the cheese sauce. Say, go on, what you gotta say?
I'm just listening to you, Misha. Right, so today we haven't got a subject. We are just going to talk because we just want to talk.
I'm starving, you know.
No, you're not starving.
I'm not starving. Okay, we're hungry, you know. Hungry.
Like me. Look, as you can see, my nails aren't done. Look, shocking, fam. But anyway, they'll be done soon on 12th. So, I did my hair and it took me 2 whole days. My arms, neck. Misha, you okay there?
Yeah.
My arms, neck, and everything is dead, fam. But it's worth it. What do you think?
Dead eye.
Let me know what you think. Look, I'm gonna dip this chicken.
Get
some cheese. Nah, move on.
Cheese sauce is banging.
And
I'll tell you something as well. Gemma in here, so it's not all in the mixing about Gemma sauce. Also, yeah, this didn't know ad, but on a level, you need to try this.
What is it called?
Made, can't see because of the light. If I just made for farm. Black garlic, sick, you know. Oh, Mum, will you pass me my hot sauce, please? Gotta have the chilies, the Lee Kum Kee Hong Kong chili oil, and my noodles.
Do you think they're spicy enough, though?
I don't.
The chicken's nice, a bit
Light, look.
About you, look.
Oh wow, dropping the lids and everything. So. Did you tell them what we was talking about, or did you not say?
I said nothing. We'll talk about what we talk about.
We talk about whatever we talk about. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm saying. I'll put the ranch. My American brothers and sisters, I see you with your ranch dip. It's fire, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ranch and hot sauce. Mom, I'm telling you now. Out this world, fam.
I mean, notice Misha has cooked a slit in that eyebrow.
And do you know what, right? You'll see it on the intro, but on a level, yeah, I was putting the slit in my eyebrow time ago.
What, before it came trendy? When?
There's a picture of me somewhere.
You know, because Misha feels the need.
Way back when, right?
Hold on, let me finish what I'm saying. Misha feels the need that sometimes she should be just girly. And I said to her, just be yourself.
Yeah.
And that's what you're doing now, aren't you? Being yourself. You know what I mean? Because you are girly.
Yeah.
But you like the other side as well, don't you? And what's the other side? What is that?
I just like to be a bit more, not masculine, but I do like to wear, like, my baggy clothes and stuff like that. But I also like to dress up.
Even though I don't like eating baggy clothes, do I?
No, you don't.
Because...
The reason why I do them is just like, that's ridiculous, look, far too big.
You do. But the thing is, Misha, be who you are, and that's how everybody should be. Hey, did you see on the news about that young lad?
Which one?
That young black lad?
No, not.
They found him in a forest, man.
The one that went missing in England? Huh?
Yeah.
The one where the police turned around to the parents and was like, well, if you can't find him, we can't find him. That one.
Is that what it said?
It was like the 15-year-old or something.
Is that what it said?
Yeah, did you not see that?
No.
If you want about the same person. Yeah.
Let God go, well, All I can think about now is the parents. You know what I mean? It's so sad, isn't it?
I know.
And nobody knows the circumstances, so we can't really talk about that. You know what I mean? But it is sad.
What they're saying though, like, is someone else involved, or?
I don't know, Misha. So, like I say, I don't really want to go about it because we don't know these enough.
But Mara didn't know about it.
It's just sad, you know, things that you see on the news now, it's like, what the hell is going on in this world?
I reckon the world, we've said this before though, haven't we? The world is just like next level messed up.
Fucked up, Misha. Why don't we say it properly how it is?
Well, that's good, you know. Well, if I say it like that, then the more times we swear, the more times we're going to beep it out.
Yeah, but that's just me, Misha. What you see with me is what you get. Simple. I won't change, and we're not going to change with nobody. And I will not. But the world is fucked. Isn't it? You know what I mean? Like, I've got to go back to work on Monday.
We've got to go back to work on Monday.
We've got to go back to work on Monday. And, you know, even though it's COVID, you know, I love being at home. I'm not going to lie, Misha.
Yeah, I know.
I did. Because it made me do everything that I wanted to do. Everything that I've always wanted to do, like writing, and I've done a lot of writing. A lot. Anna Misha. You know what I mean? I've done a lot of writing. I absolutely love it. And I've always known that was my vocation in life. Yeah. Carrie, can you see she's doing the egg thing? Yeah, but writing has always been my vocation in life. This week we sent off
The Thriller,
Midnight Shopping. Go on, Misha, tell him what because obviously Misha, I write it, and Misha edits it.
Yeah, it's messed up, you know, still.
Yeah, so what you just give him a glimpse of what you thought, because you didn't think that I could do that, did you? Go on,
yeah, I guess salt, please. I did. I knew yours. Like you've always had it. You've got the whole box actually.
Go on.
Wait, how far do you want me to go there with telling the people what's what?
Sorry, just a snippet of it. A snippet.
Well, okay. So there's this guy, yeah? And this guy, yeah?
When I say a snippet, I mean a snippet, Misha.
Does bad things. That's what I'm telling you. I can't tell him anymore. I can't tell him anymore without telling him. Do you know what I mean? And I don't want to tell him.
Yeah, but I don't think the book's like that, because I don't think you're going to know from...
Yeah, it's too... No, it is. Like, I don't want to tell him. All I can say is, anyone who crosses his path will get it. But love...
He's very angry, isn't he?
But love could change it all.
And as you know, that was sent unspoken of. That's a steamy one. And when I say steamy, I mean really steamy. We're just still waiting to hear back from that. I Am Black. Obviously, you know that's been published, but because of COVID, nobody's been in the office, so...
Well, a couple of setbacks for that, aren't there?
Yeah, so we've had a few setbacks from that. Yeah, and then the first children's book, that's going to go through as well, isn't it? Well, it's already gone through. And so you just have to watch this space. You know what I mean? But not only that, we've done our garden.
Yeah. Built a bar. No, stick those still.
Yeah. So we built a bar, we just got to put the stuff in, you know, like, what do you call it again? Where you put the whiskies on the store.
What do you call them things? Optics.
Optics. You know, and all that kind of thing. We've got that and a wine rack. And all that kind of thing. We're going to put that in the bar. So we're like...
We built the bar, basically. We're going to do the interior,
yeah. Yeah, I mean, so...
I think your sleeves are just long.
Pardon? It's your arms that are long, your elbow.
Think about this reason if he's getting chicken in and all I could see was sleeve in my head. So, anyway.
2 minutes ago, anyway.
Pardon? Pardon? Today.
So saying that, like I said, we're going back to work on Monday. And to be honest, it's quite scary to go back to work, Misha. Don't you think?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
I suppose.
Because I've been locked away for the duration, haven't I, really?
Yeah.
Apart from going to town now and again.
When it was open.
Hmm?
When it was open.
Yeah. You know, when I say town, I mean to Asda. But me and Misha have done loads of exercise, we'll walk for days, fam. But,
Yeah, bro. Going back to
normality.
now, I remember like you saying, oh, it's scary and stuff. Because when we came out of lockdown and went into tiers, because we don't serve food, we had to wait until we went into tier 1 in our area for us to open back up again, but that just didn't happen for us when we went into lockdown. So, we've literally not been working there since November.
Is that what it was? Because we were in tier 1. Did you do the pub was open?
Yeah, November.
I thought everyone closed down.
Yeah, no. So we went into the tiers in November, didn't we? November 4th.
Yeah.
And then we closed down like
See, I can't remember, Misha, it's been that.
We're not open. We're not open because that's when we went into lockdown again.
But don't you think that this year, from March last year, it's gone well quick?
Do you know what? When you think about it, yeah. There's so much in my life, especially since March last year, has changed. My life has changed, like
Completely, innit?
Loads. Do you know what I mean? Like with work and
relationships
and
then she's found somebody beautiful now who she absolutely adores
and supports everything that I do. Without question. But also like I'm saying, I can sit here now and say, like, do you know what? I wasn't affected by COVID in the fact that I've lost anybody, or I think my music stopped. That I lost anybody, or like personally affected by it. But
what, through the COVID you mean?
Yeah, but COVID affected my life. Like I left my notes at my old job to start a new job.
And then that came along, didn't it?
Like then my old job, like, so we went into lockdown. Then the day came when it was my last day. Then the new job was meant to start. They rang me, was like, well, we can't start you because of all of this. And then my old job was like, well, we can't help you because you've left. And because obviously there was so much like questions around employment and stuff like that.
Yeah, but it's really disappointing when, you know, when the job that you had originally, when they let you down, that was really disappointing. You know, because all they had to do is collect your furlough, wasn't it? Really?
Yeah. Yeah, but at the time, the government hadn't said that they could do that.
Oh, okay.
And then when it came out, I asked the question again. I was like, no. And I was like, do you know what? Okay,
whatever.
that hurts, but fair enough.
Yeah, but you know, the bonus for me is Misha came home. And Misha's been home, and I swear to God, every single day we've laughed hard, fam. I mean every day, unless Misha stays in bed all day, which is very one-off.
Yeah. But not only that though, yeah. Like I can sit here and say, do you know what? Lockdown did completely turn my life around, yeah? But I'm sat here now, probably the happiest I've been in years. I mean, like, genuinely happy. Like, my heart's completely happy. Like, I'm with my family. I've got a great partner, like, amazing partner. Like, everything in my life is just so...
amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, like, I've got that really nice... Like, I go to bed at night, innit?
It's just flowers and poppies.
But I go to bed at night and there's nothing on me. There's nothing on my chest. There's nothing on my shoulders. Like,
nothing weighing down, is it? Yeah.
Nothing at all.
Yeah.
And I haven't felt like that in so long. And yes, lockdown did do that. But you know what? I'm sat here now, doing these videos with my mum. We've started up our own t-shirt. Do you know what? Everything goes slow, right?
Started our own t-shirt business.
Yeah, the books, everything. But... And
yeah, but the book started before that, Misha.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is... You can watch them, innit?
I'm sorry.
No, but... Like, bad times don't last forever. And do you know what? Yeah, okay. I'm not bringing in what I used to bring in. But do you know what? So what? This is what I'm saying. But this is what I'm saying. Like, I'm happy in myself.
You've got amazing parents. That's what you're...
Yeah, innit? But, like, it is what it is. Do you know what I mean? Like, bad days don't last forever. And, like we say, and we have been saying, instead of, like, step by step, we're taking it pebble by pebble. Yeah, things.
Pebble by pebble.
It is what it is. You know what I mean? Everyone has to start somewhere. And look where we've. And look Alright, we're doing well.
Yeah, I mean, like, that's what you say, brick by brick. You just build your empire brick by brick. Guess we're building that pebble by pebble. And guess what? Them pebbles are going to go into mountains. Because no matter what, Misha and I will never, ever, ever give up. No. Ever. Will we? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, because that's what you do. Nobody else is going to make you happy. Only you can make you happy. Isn't it? Only you can make you happy. Only you can make you succeed. So, you know, work hard. Do everything that you're supposed to do for yourself. And guess what? Then everybody else will look at you and respect you for that. Alone. Innit? Yeah, I mean, so we're going to continue doing what you do. I mean, like, I'm looking at, so, like I said to you earlier, I've done my hair. I'm lucky that I can do my hair. There's people out there.
They're walking around like ragamuffin.
Misha. No, that's people like that can't do that, and they're waiting for all this to be over. She just stole off my egg. Right, but and then they're waiting for, you know, the COVID to be. But I'm looking at, I can do my nails, but I chose not to do my nails.
She did her nails a little fear of pussy behind.
Shut up. Right. You know what I mean? But I haven't done my own nails because they are absolutely messed up. So I'm waiting for Victoria to come back because I miss Victoria. I miss my nail girl.
On level, Mum should just wait. You know what I mean? Right.
Hey, I should what?
You should just wait.
I know, but I couldn't wait, Misha, because I like to look good all the time, and my nails, oh fuck, man.
But she has to good all the time, the time she doesn't go anywhere.
My mum always said to me, make sure that you look good every day.
Right. What so why do I see you looking like a ragamuffin from like 6 in the morning until about 5 in the afternoon?
Because that's because you're looking at your own goddamn self.
Wow.
Oh, yeah?
No.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, Misha.
There's Mum that gets serving them. My mouth's crispy. Got a satin wrap on her head.
She loves me then.
Or as we say, your tie-up head. I want to show you, know what I mean?
Yeah, but that's, no, Misha. I look good when I get out of bed. That's my
no, she does. She should. She does.
So Misha shaved the side of her head as well, look.
Why did you put him out?
Shave the side of her head.
Look at that, see that?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, she took her out. She's had her out. For the second lockdown, you had it all out, didn't you?
No.
Anyway, guys.
Look at you, just didn't even let me answer.
Yeah, but like...
Eat your corn on the cob, you wanted to.
Yeah, but... I'm just doing this, though.
I'm not gonna lie. These news are fire.
You're alright. Guys, we've missed you, and I can't wait. So when we go back to normal, we're talking to other people, and we're going to bring loads of guests on now. You know what I mean?
I keep saying that, yeah, but obviously the world hasn't changed yet, so bear with.
Yeah, but I know, but because I've a few people around the house, Misha, we can do it in our bar outside.
Yeah?
You know what I mean? So,
Nyam at me yard, come and drink at me yard, come and eat at me yard, come
that's
browse at me yard, come this at me yard, come that at me yard.
Not necessarily.
Necessarily.
So, anyway, guys, it's so nice to talk to you again. But we're going to go now. And guess what? We love you. And we missed you. But next time you see us, we'll be with a guest.
Reckon?
Absolutely. It could be Dad or JJ.
It's not no guest then, it's my family.
Yeah, I know, but there's still guests on here, aren't they?
We've had Jay, we had Jay, aren't we? We had Dad yet?
No.
Yeah, Josiah either.
Josiah won't come on here, Mish. He's not stupid.
And next time, Gemma might be back. Gemma might be back. I'm not that excited to say Gemma now, but...
Gemma, we are. You know that we are. We talk to you on a daily.
I know.
So, guess what? We're going to say, hiya.
Leah! What?
Bye.
Bye! really excited about it. No, so no, the other one was, but why don't I mention that? I love the one.